Understanding Object to the Terms, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that often puzzles learners: object to the terms. Understanding this phrase is key to mastering nuanced English communication, especially in formal contexts. So, let's break it down together. Object to the terms consists of two main parts: object to and the terms. To object to something means to express disagreement or disapproval of it. The terms, in this context, refer to the conditions or stipulations agreed upon in a contract, agreement, or any kind of arrangement. This phrase is commonly used in legal, business, and formal negotiations. It's a polite yet firm way to say that you do not agree with the conditions being proposed. For example, if you're negotiating a job offer and you're not satisfied with the salary or the working hours, you might say, "I object to the terms of the offer." Let's look at a few examples to see how this phrase is used in different situations. In a legal context, after reviewing the contract, we object to the terms related to the copyright transfer. In business negotiations, we appreciate the partnership proposal, but we object to the terms regarding the profit-sharing model. In everyday situations, although less common, it can be used informally, such as, "I object to the terms of this agreement. I thought I would have more freedom in choosing my projects." Remember, using object to the terms is about expressing disagreement with specific conditions or rules. Here are some tips. Practice using the phrase in hypothetical negotiation scenarios. Listen for the phrase in news reports or discussions about legal or business matters to see it in context. Pair it with reasons why you object to the terms to make your communication clear and effective. And there you have it, a closer look at what it means to object to the terms. We hope this explanation clears up any confusion and helps you feel more confident using the phrase in your English communications. Remember, understanding such phrases enriches your English and makes you a more effective communicator. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.